How to reset the printing system in macOS. If you are experiencing a printer offline or printer not responding error message on your Mac, resetting the printing system might help resolve the issue. Note: resetting the printing system deletes all printers, scanners, and fax machines in the printers and scanners queue on your Mac, which includes both HP and non-HP devices. Resetting also deletes any pending jobs in the queue. Search for and open Printers and Scanners by clicking the spotlight icon. In the Printers list, right-click or click while holding down the Control key. Select Reset Printing System. Then select Reset. Note: all your printer settings and queued tasks are now cleared. Restart the printer. Return to the Printers and Scanners window and click Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax. Locate and select your printer from the list, then click Add. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.